ChatGPT, what would Carl Sandburg say about the sounds of the wind, the water, and the birds relative to the artificial intelligence event we're having here in Flat Rock this week?
Carl Sandburg might weave a poetic reflection, highlighting the contrast and harmony between nature and technology. He might say, "In the whispering winds of Flat Rock, the timeless songs of water and birds echo, a reminder of nature's enduring voice. Amidst this chorus, the hum of artificial intelligence rises, a testament to human ingenuity. Here, we gather to bridge the ancient and the new, seeking wisdom in the wind and innovation in the digital currents. In this symphony, we find our path forward, honoring the past while embracing the future."
Thank you, ChatGPT. That was impressive.
You're welcome, Mark. I'm glad you liked it. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Thank you.